Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of simple and functional wood crafts designs ideas that inspire, sell, and feel like home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Simple but functional woodcraft design projects hold a timeless appeal that continues to captivate woodworking lovers and craft enthusiasts alike, not because they are flashy or overly complex, but because they speak directly to the heart of why people are drawn to working with wood in the first place. And in modern woodworking and home decorating, these modest creations have become more inspiring and emotionally preferable than many elaborate builds, offering a deep sense of purpose, connection, and creative fulfillment while also presenting realistic and accessible opportunities for income generation. At their core, simple wood projects such as small shelves, stools, trays, wall hooks, benches, plant stands, picture frames, and storage boxes embody the perfect balance between form and function, allowing the maker to focus on clean lines, honest joinery, and the natural beauty of the wood itself. And this clarity of intention makes the crafting process feel grounding and rewarding, because every cut, every joint, and every finish serves a clear role, transforming raw lumber into something useful that immediately improves daily life. For many woodworkers, especially in an age dominated by digital noise and fast consumption, the act of creating something simple yet purposeful becomes a deeply emotional experience, reconnecting them to slower rhythms, tactile work, and a sense of self-reliance that modern life often erodes. And this emotional resonance is precisely why simple wood crafts are so inspiring. They remind makers and users alike that beauty does not need to be complicated to be meaningful. In modern home decor, simplicity carries its own elegance, and functional wooden objects blend seamlessly into a wide range of interiors, from minimalist and Scandinavian-inspired spaces to rustic, modern farmhouse, or even contemporary homes. Because wood in its honest form brings warmth, authenticity, and balance, and when a piece is thoughtfully designed without unnecessary ornamentation, it invites touch, use, and appreciation, becoming part of everyday rituals rather than just a decorative object. The emotional preference for these crafts also stems from their human scale, because they are approachable projects that invite participation rather than intimidation. Making them especially appealing to beginners and seasoned woodworkers alike, as they allow for creative expression without overwhelming complexity. And this accessibility nurtures confidence, encouraging makers to experiment, refine their skills, and develop a personal style, which in turn deepens their connection to the craft. The inspiration behind simple functional designs is often rooted in lived experience, identifying small problems in daily life and solving them with wood. And this problem-solving aspect adds a layer of satisfaction that purely decorative projects rarely match, as the finished piece becomes a quiet but constant reminder of the maker's ingenuity and care emotionally. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. These objects carry stories, because a hand-built shelf that holds family photos, a stool used every morning, or a wooden tray passed from room to room becomes woven into the rhythms of home life, accumulating meaning through use. And this emotional durability makes such pieces far more preferable than mass-produced alternatives, which often lack soul or individuality. From a business and income generation perspective, simple functional wood crafts are particularly powerful because they align perfectly with market demand, as modern consumers increasingly seek handmade, sustainable, and practical items that feel personal and authentic. And these projects typically require fewer materials, less time, and minimal tooling compared to large or complex furniture builds, allowing artisans to produce them efficiently while maintaining high quality, which makes pricing more accessible to buyers while still leaving room for healthy profit margins. The simplicity of these designs also makes them highly adaptable, as small variations in size, with species, finish, or detail can create entirely new products, enabling makers to build cohesive collections rather than one-off pieces, and this consistency is essential for branding, especially for those selling through craft fairs, online marketplaces, or social media platforms where visual cohesion and repeatability matter. Moreover, simple functional projects photograph beautifully, their clean lines and natural textures translating well on digital platforms, which is crucial in today's visual-driven market. And because these items are practical, customers are more likely to purchase them not only as decor but as gifts, further expanding their commercial appeal emotionally. Buyers are drawn to these pieces because they feel grounded and sincere, offering a sense of calm and reliability in a world that often feels disposable and rushed. And when a customer chooses a handmade wooden object, they are not just buying an item, but investing in craftsmanship, sustainability, and a story of care, which strengthens the emotional bond between maker and user. In modern woodworking guides and creative education, simple functional projects are often emphasized because they teach foundational skills: measuring, cutting, joining, sanding, finishing, without unnecessary complication, allowing learners to focus on precision and quality rather than speed or spectacle. And this emphasis helps cultivate a mindset of craftsmanship over consumption, reinforcing the idea that doing fewer things well is more valuable than doing many things poorly. Financially, these projects provide an ideal entry point for monetizing woodworking skills, as they allow makers to test markets, refine pricing, and gather feedback without significant financial risk. And over time, a portfolio of well-designed, functional pieces can evolve into a reliable income stream, especially when paired with storytelling that highlights the emotional and practical value of each object. Ultimately, simple but functional woodcraft design projects resonate so deeply because they reflect a universal desire for usefulness, beauty, and connection, bridging the gap between creativity and everyday life. And in modern woodworking and home decor, they stand as a reminder that inspiration does not always come from complexity or extravagance, but from intention, care, and the quiet joy of making something that matters, something that will be used, appreciated, and cherished, and something that proves that even the simplest wooden object, when crafted with heart and purpose, can generate not only income, but lasting emotional value for both the maker and the home it enters. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked simple and functional woodcrafts designs ideas that inspire, sell, and feel like home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.